Oh! groaned Percy, as he battled against the rain. More trouble lay ahead. Oh! Never mind, James, whispered Toby. They're only joking. Ha ha! said James. Ha ha ha! The wind had other ideas. It curled around his boiler, crept under his loose dome, and lifted it off and away into the valley below. Gordon was most uncomfortable. The cold wind was whistling. When Donald stopped for water, he found that he had an unexpected passenger aboard. A small white duckling popped out of his water tank. "Nay, do, who's behind this?" laughed Donald. "Careful, Thomas," called his driver, but it was too late. That's done it. Suddenly, there it was. "Cinders and ashes," cried Thomas. "It's a dragon." The Fat Controller spoke severely to Diesel. "Things worked much better here before you arrived. I shall not be inviting you back." And Terence and Trevor helped haul them into place. Now he could see the trees growing amongst the others on the hillside. "Come on, Gordon," said his driver. "You'll feel better after a good hose down." "Pah!" said Gordon, and angrily let off steam. "You're a..." James huffed away. Later, he was still boasting. "I'm the pride of the line. I saw you all over the place. They're going to scrap the post train and use me instead. Wings work wonders, you know, always." "Rubbish," puffed Thomas. Thomas was still in good spirits when Bertie arrived at the next station. Frosty weather makes the muddy lane rock hard and very slippery. Toby stops before reaching the lane. His fireman halts the traffic at the crossing and then he sets off again. But the driver braked hard. Toby stopped, still on the rails, but with his wheels treading the tightrope. "I'm taking everyone to the party. Edward's idea is really working." Trevor gave Bertie a cheerful whistle and turned back toward the orchard. So it stung James right back on the nose. "Eee!" whistled James. He had had enough. So had his... "There's a shooting star," said Duck. "Don't be daft," laughed Bertie. "It's Harold. Look, he's hovering overhead." "I shall not allow you here again." The next day, Ben was still grumpy. "That, Bill? Imagine getting in my..." "Pah!" said Gordon. "What's this? Educating Gordon Day?" "Yes! Yes!" "That was a neat thing," puffed Douglas. "We've had worse," smiled Oliver. And they forged ahead. But it was too late. Oliver lay, bruised and bemused. Sometimes he teases us about it, but he'd never want to see it ripped up. "Huh," growled the bus. "I know Bertie. He's too small in size to be of any use." Duck took no notice.
Oh, for God's sake!
But squashed fruit squirted all over Percy. Terence quickly got to work. "Lovely stuff," he said as he pushed the snow aside. "Well done, Percy. Well done, Thomas," cheered the villagers.